Welcome to my favorite sensation and perception thing by me, Caden Swanson. I decided to do this on after images. An after image is the false image that you see even though the original stimulus is gone. For example, when you get a picture taken, boom, the flash happens. And you see the little blob of light after the flash is still gone. That is what is considered an after image. Weird, but cool. But this is even cooler. A negative after image. Negative after image is the complementary color of the color you saw originally. What does this mean? Well, it would be the color on the opposite side of the color wheel. So it would mean if you get blue right here, or this blue right here, right there, if you look at it for long enough, just stare at it, give it a real good look, and then you look away, you're going to then see orange. What? What? That's wild. Look at blue for like 30 seconds and you just look away. Orange. That's crazy. How does that work? I don't know. But I do know. What the heck? Why does that happen? It's because of our rods and cones. Rods and cones perceive color. Well, the cones perceive color, the rods perceive black and white, but that's how you perceive what you are seeing. Um, yeah, just our cones perceive the color. They become overstimulated, become desensitized. Once you look away, boom, the after image happens. You then see the after image. This goes hand in hand with the trichromatic theory of vision. Because what happens is your cones will become desensitized. And when your cones become desensitized, it'll be one cone becomes desensitized. So then the other cones have to then work harder. So then those cones try and perceive what you were just seeing, but they can't because it's not the same color. And because of that, you see the opposite color. Crazy, right? Wild. And the trichromatic theory is basically that there are three cones in your eye that allow you to see all the colors. So all the colors in between red and green are going to show up. All the colors between red and blue are going to be purple. All the colors between red and green, yellow. All the colors between green and blue, cyan is what it appears to be. All of them combined, white. But that doesn't really matter. But with this theory, it shows us all the colors we see today, all the beautiful colors. So here's an example that you can do an after image. Let's move. Can I? Oh no. Move this down here. Go back to this. An after image. You stare at this, say like 30 seconds, just stare right at the middle. What's going to happen is eventually your cones are going to get tired. Not going to be able to work anymore. So then you look away. When you look away, you're going to see the actual flag of blue, red, and white. I'm not going to sit here for 30 seconds, but if you want to pause the video and try it, feel free. Now here is not an after image. It's called palinophagia. Just learned about it. It's a term we use when people see an image even though they're no longer looking at it. So I could be looking at this computer I'll look away and I'll still see the computer. This is not good. Not good. There are two types of this: hallucinatory, which is caused by seizures or lesions of the brain, or there is illusionary, which is usually caused by issues with migraines and reactions to drugs. So, what should you do if you think this is happening to you? Go see a doctor. You should probably get that figured out because that's not great for you. Because you could be having seizures or you could have lesions in the brain. Probably not. But if you have issues with migraines or reactions to like prescription drugs or not good drugs, you should go get this checked out. It's not good. This is the end. I'm sorry. I wish it could be longer.